Hi, now today I'm at Pratumnak Soy 3 and now we are here at the new Nordic Suite 3 and we have studio room for sale and it's very good for investment in future or now. And now we are at swimming pool here and we have the toilet for you to shower and have a change that is very convenient. And if you live in New Nordic Suite 3 and you can use this pool from the neighbor building also, it's no problem. And now we are at a parking area. It's very big and it have enough space for a car and the scooter, and we have security for 24 hours. And don't worry, here is very safety because before you get in, you need a card here so you can get in. And now we are going up to see the room. Okay, now we are at the room and I'm gonna tell you that is the best area in Pattaya in Pratumnak because it's near walking street, which is near Bali High Pier and it's near Jomtien also, and it's very quiet. And I think it's very good for investment because if you buy, you can rent it out and have many customers because it's the best area, like long term, many months because it's a low season, high season is always have customer. And I'm going to show you what you're gonna have for this apartment. One, you have a table for your workspace here, and then you have this one for keep your stuff, and you have a TV. And then look at the bed, it can separate. If you come with friend, you can separate the bed, or if you come with your couple, you even can move the bed together, it's no problem. And then we have a huge closet here, and very important stuff, you have safety box here. Yes, it's many stored. And now we are at a balcony because it's very big and you can have enough space to do many things in outside activities. And you have a swimming pool view, and you have a table for have your dinner or coffee in the morning. And it's not very hot because the side of building is you cannot feel the sun so much. And now we are at the bathroom. It's enough space to do many things here, and you can take a shower, you can do whatever here because it's really comfortable. And if you like to cook, don't worry, we have a cooking area for you. We have electric cooker and we have the space for you to keep the cooking stuff, and we have the fridge and we have microwave and have enough space for you to cook your food because if you like, I think you have many stuff to cook. And this place is very near the beach, you can even walk there. And the price of this room is 1.1 million. I think it's very cheap for this quality that you will get because it's the best area in Pattaya, in Pratumnak, and it's really near the beach. It's unbelievable price. And now I want to show you our room that I have in New Nordic Suite 4, and let's see what we have here. And now we are at the parking area. It's very comfortable because have enough space to park the car and the scooter, and you can walk to the condominium so quick, only 3 minutes. And security here is very safety because before you get in, you have to tap the card here so you can get in. And this is our swimming pool in this condominium. I think it's not too big and it's quite small, but later I will tell you a secret where you can use a jacuzzi and bigger and nicer swimming pool. Now we are at the room already. I will show you what you're gonna get from this room. First, you have a closet, built-in closet, and you can keep your stuff, and then a table, workspace of course, and then the TV, and then you have a king size bed here. And the most important thing is so you have an air conditioner in the Thai weather, so you don't have to worry about hot weather here. And now we are at the balcony. It's very quiet place here and it's not noisy at all. You have a table for drinking coffee in the morning, and you can eat dinner here. And it's not too hot because it's not the sun side, so you cannot feel the sun so much. And if you like to cook, we have a kitchen for you. We have electric cooker, we have microwave, and of course we have a fridge. And if you buy here, we have a 7% guarantee. And the common fees here is very cheap. It's only 40 baht per square meters. And this is the bathroom. You can take a shower and whatever here because it's not too small. And then I will show you the secret that I told you at swimming pool. And now we are going to the neighbor building that you could use swimming pool and jacuzzi there. This way, and we can see the beside the office. You see the elephant. You can go through that way. And this is the swimming pool that you can use. It's very huge, and we have a jacuzzi for you also. And we have a chair for you to get a tan over there. Very nice here. And this one we are at New Nordic Suite 6. We have an apartment here, and the parking area is very big and have enough space for parking scooter and parking car, and have 24-hour security. And this is the jacuzzi pool that you can have. Here is very nice and in the 6th floor. The swimming pool is in the 4th floor. Here you can see. And now we are at the room 2-bedroom in this apartment, and I'm going to show you the living area. We have a kitchen over here. We have an electric cooker, fridge, and microwave. And this is the table for you to have a breakfast or dinner with family because it's many chairs here. And we have like a workspace, the table here, and the TV over here. And this is our balcony. Is very big and have washing machine also. And we have a closet and safety box inside. And of course we have air conditioner because in Thailand the weather is very hot and the sofa for living room. And I'm going to show you the first bedroom here. And this is the king bed size. And then the window, you can see the balcony view. And we have a drawer beside the bed. And the air conditioner, of course, for Thai weather. And now we are at the second bedroom. We have a table for your workspace, and we have a king bed side also. And we have a closet in a bedroom and a view in a neighbor building. And we have, of course, we have air conditioner because Thai weather is really hot. And this is our bathroom. You can take a shower here, and it's not too small in this bathroom. And the last apartment that I'll show you is New Nordic Trend 6. We have 2 rooms here. Okay, this one is a New Nordic Trend 6401. This one we have a smart TV over here and workspace over here. And you have a drawer to keep the stuff. And you have a king bed size here. Yes, and of course air conditioner is very important in Thailand. And over here is a huge closet and have a safety box. Very nice. And now we are at the balcony. You have a small table over here that you can have a coffee in the morning, and you have city view and a garden view also. And a cooking lover, you would love this because we have a kitchen for you. We have electric cooker and we have a fridge for you. And it's a new kitchen because it's just renovated. So, and now we are at the bathroom. We have a hair dryer for you, and we have sink and of course bathroom. And this is another room that I have in the New Nordic Trend 6. It's beside of the last room that I just showed you. It's exactly the same, just opposite side. and the same view and the same bed, the same TV. Everything is exactly the same. And this is our swimming pool in the first floor. It's very nice and it's very big here. Also, we have another swimming pool on the rooftop with beautiful views of the city. And now we are at the market that near our place in New Nordic Train 6. And when you go out from there, it's only 5 minutes from there. And you can find the market here very near, and you can find many things, vegetable, fruit, and fresh meat here. Right nearby, you will see the Riviera project, which is almost complete. Once it's finished, property value in this area, including here, are expected to rise. So now is the perfect time to invest. The location is also amazing, surrounded by cozy cafe and just a few minutes walk to the beach. It's ideal for both living and rental opportunities. And I just finished show you the 5 apartment that I just showed you today. And which room you interested, you can let me know in the comment box. And if you interested to buy, we have a contract in the description link. We have a phone number, Instagram, Telegram. Let me know which one you interested.